Hey guys, how's it going? I know I disappeared for a while from YouTube, like for a couple of weeks. In the meantime, I was acquiring this island to myself. So I'm on my private island right now. So let me show you a tour about my private island. Well, okay, I'm just kidding. I'm on Dauphin Island Park actually. It's not my private island. So let me show you some drone pictures. And the only reason you're not seeing people around me is because I walked away from them, like really far away from them. So being physically fit has its own perks. So with that said, let us see the drone footage. I hope you enjoyed this drone footage. I will see you again. Bye.